All right, Blue Burritos, we're going to be making our latest kit, and that means adding a hanger to this. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to need an 18 gauge wire, and we're going to use the ribbons that come with this kit right here in order to make a hanger. Now, I don't think it's so cool to make the hanger actually out of the ribbon, but we pretend it is made out. So what I want you to do is kind of find what you think is going to be the top of your wreath base. In this case, this one looks good everywhere. So I can just kind of flip it over and know this is going to be my top. I'm going to turn it to the side here so it's a little easier for me to work with. This is a piece of 18 gauge wire that I'm folding in half. This one's paper wrapped, but you can find these wrapped with like different like little plastic or twine, whatever you need. And then I'm going to put this right here on the back, and I'm going to grab some floral pins. Now, if you don't know what a floral pin is, it is a metal U-shaped pin. They're very hard to see on camera. You see it on the top of my hand? All right. And you can buy them at the craft store like this, and they're great to go into things like this that are foam. And we use them in floral design all the time. So I'm going to take and just push this in here, and I'm going at an angle so I don't push through my wreath. I'm going to push it in at an angle. Okay, so I went in that way. This way. So we've got two of those in. Now what I'm going to do now is just fold these back so they're going to hold right over that. And now I know that will be my hanger. And it's so simple on a foam base. Well, that's fine. That's cool. But y'all, we don't want that showing. We want to be able to cover that with ribbon. So I'm going to show you how to do that now and make it really cute. So grab you some ribbon and decide what you want at the top. And I'm going to use this one at the top. This is the bow we did on another video. And that one's going to be our bow on this wreath. So I think the lemons would look really cute up here at the top. So what I want you to do is cut a strip long enough on each side to kind of come around and hide our hanger. So I'm just kind of guessing on the length right now. If we started back here and we hid the wire, right, and we came around, it would need to be about this long. I'm going to cut it a little extra long. Okay, and make sure these cuts are straight because we're going to go on the edge of the wreath. Okay, so right here in the front, take and just twist this around, tuck that in. So here's what it looks like on the back. It's tucked in the front. It's a little too long. I'm going to cut it a little shorter. You see what's happening? All of a sudden, my wire is disappearing behind this ribbon. All right. Let's see. I think that's going to work perfect right there. So I'm going to lay these pieces down right here, and you're going to come back and now pin that ribbon in the same spot, okay? Now, when you go through the ribbon, it is a little tricky to punch through. So punch, through and then do the glue if you can. Go back in the same holes and then try to go at an angle again. You don't want to push through the top of the, through the front of the wreath. Ooh, perfect. That's going to fit on there perfectly. And now this on this side. Now this is a little bit of extra time, a little work, but in design school and here too, I want you to learn how to make your pieces quality that are going to last a long time. And if you want to sell them, you want your customers to be incredibly thrilled. And let me show you how nice and polished this looks. So when this is hanging on their wreath hanger at their door, that is what it will look like. Isn't that clean and neat? That looks great. Now, if you want to go to the next level and just take it a little bit further, what we're going to do is gather this a little bit to make a little loop at the top, right? And now you're going to want to get a cable tie. We'll put a little cable tie right there. I think the loop is fine and it looks good, but I think sometimes we could go a little bit further, right? So here's my green cable tie. I'm going to come in here And we're leaving a little loop at the top, and now I'm going to tie this on tight. All right. Okay. So you can see here, make sure the ribbon just pulls right above your wire. So you've created a little hanger here. And now with this part, trim that off. You can come in and add a little bit of another detail ribbon. And you don't have to go crazy. I'm just going to use the brown and black that comes in the kit, and I'm going to put that across here. And I'll move that little nub kind of to the back so it doesn't show so much. And all I'm going to do is just do a little hand over hand knot. We want to hide the cable tie holder. There's one knot. Do one more. Cute. And then take these and just trim them a little shorter. Boom. And boom. So, it's simple like that. You have a professional held on hanger that's adorable. And it's going to work at the top of our wreath. And from the back, yep, all wired. You won't have saggy ribbon as your hanger. You'll have a nice, polished, professional hanger. Y'all, if you like this and tips like this is the type of stuff I'm teaching in floral design class over at KhalilsDesignSchool.com. Simple details built with great construction techniques and learning how to put colors and design techniques together. You can make extraordinary pieces one step at a time. All right, well, we're going to be building up on this design and making the rest of it. So make sure to catch us on the next video in this episode so you can start to learn how to put this kit together.